Genesis chapter 20. The sun sets over the dusty roads of Gerar. Abraham and Sarah arrive, weary from their travels. But in Abraham's heart there is fear. This place they do not fear God, he thinks. If they know Sarah is my wife, they might kill me. So he tells the people she is my sister. Word reaches King Abimelech. Sarah's beauty catches his eye. Without hesitation, he brings her into his household. The palace doors close behind her, and the night falls. But in the stillness of the night, God comes to Abimelech in a dream. His voice is like thunder wrapped in fire. You are a dead man, for the woman you have taken is married. Abimelech wakes in terror, his heart pounding. In the dream he had pleaded, Lord, I did not know. He said she was his sister. My hands are clean. And God replied, Yes, I know you acted with a pure heart. That is why I kept you from sinning against me. Return the woman to her husband. He is a prophet. He will pray for you and you will live. At dawn, Abimelech summons his officials. He tells them the dream. Fear sweeps through the palace like a cold wind. Then Abimelech calls for Abraham. His voice trembles with anger and hurt. What have you done to us? You have brought guilt upon my kingdom. What sin did I commit against you that you would bring this danger upon my people? Abraham lowered his eyes. I thought there was no fear of God here. I feared for my life, and she is my sister, the daughter of my father, though not my mother, and she became my wife. Abimelech signs deeply. He returns Sarah to Abraham. Not only that, he gives him sheep, cattle, servants, and the freedom to settle anywhere in the land. As a gesture of honor, he gave 1,000 pieces of silver to Sarah, declaring before all that her innocence is restored. Abraham prays to the Lord, and the God who closes the womb now opens it again. Life flows back into Abimelech's house, for the Lord had struck them barren because of Sarah, Abraham's wife. And so, a story that began in fear ends in mercy.